We made it down to Southampton.
We did.
How long did it take us? I think it was about
4 hours.
And now we're in lovely Southampton. Just waiting pretty much at the moment, doing a bit of exploring.
Checked out of the
Because we
hotel.
checked out, yeah.
We actually get on the ship. We start embarkation. Our slot is at 1:45, so 13:45.
Yep.
So we've got a bit of time before we get on. So we just thought we'd have a little stroll around Southampton. There are some ships in, but they're a little further over as we've come to the...
See if we can get a view of it. Couldn't really seem to be showing it at the moment. We figured whilst we're walking around, we don't really want it going bumpy. So may as well get a gimbal, especially when we're on a ship. This will be the first time we've done a vlog, really,
Yes.
on the cruise. We did try last year, but it didn't really work very well because we were using GoPro and it was inside a plastic thing, so couldn't really hear what we were saying. But we've actually got mics this time around. Let's have a look around Southampton and see basically what we see. Next one will be Embarkation. So say bye. In Broders at the moment, we've got Unpacked. Yeah, just got Unpacked. Some random one in the background. What else do we do? Oh, you've got your ultimate package.
There's a little thing somewhere we'll put in what we saw when we were in the cabin. All the extras, flowers, chocolates, champagne, crystal glasses, dressing gowns, bathrobes and slippers, and some vouchers for different things on the ship as well. So we're looking forward to using those, and at the moment we're in Brodie's bar and we've ordered a glass of wine. So we should be sailing, I think they said about 5:30.
Yeah, I think it was supposed to be about 5:30, but can't remember.
So we'll enjoy our glass of wine and then we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Bye.
Welcome to cabin 248. There's Joe. And this is on deck 15. We have some flowers and we have some chocolates and some bathrobes and some slippers and a box with something else in it. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my goodness. The crystal glasses, Joe.
Oh wow.
Oh. I think I opened them upside down. And I'm guessing that's one cupboard. That's the mini fridge. And look, Joe, a bottle of champagne. Wow. I'll put that back in the fridge. How did that fit in there? I can't get it to fit in the fridge.
It just stands up.
No, because you can't shut the door. You can shut the door. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? And this is the ultimate celebration package. Kindly bought by Joe.
Okay, so starters have just arrived. We're in Sindhu at the moment, as you can see. And Jayne's just tucking in. You having fun? Good, good.
Start off with what are you waiting for me to take a bite?
See if it's spicy or not.
No, it's fine.
Good.
It's been a busy day, hasn't it?
We've had a meal in Sindhu.
Yep.
We then went to. What did we have after that?
We went from Sindhu to the
Bar.
Sky Dome.
Sky Dome. Oh, watched a
after getting changed.
brilliant show in Sky Dome. That was acrobatics. It was really good. No idea
Full
what the
spa.
story was all. No idea what the story was all about, but it's really, really good. They're on hoops up in the air and chucking stuff at each other. Sorry, batons.
All
Yeah, that
about
was a bit
the
close.
magical batons and things like that.
It was really, really good though. I thoroughly enjoyed that.
I liked it
It was
because,
like a space theme.
yeah, definitely a space theme to it.
And then after there, we went to a show.
Yep.
We went to see Nate. What was his surname?
Nate Simpson.
Was it Simpson?
Yeah, because I remembered it because of The Simpsons.
Oh, we went to see Nate, who was on X Factor.
Yeah, apparently I had the voice of Jesus or something. Yeah, that's what one of the videos was showing.
Okay, he was very, very good. He did Motown and soul music. That was really, really good.
Yeah.
He got everybody dancing, and the last thing he did was Earth, Wind and Fire.
Hey?
Earth, Wind and Fire.
Yeah.
September. And now we are in the clubhouse, bar and lounge, having a cheeky cocktail.
Yep.
Which
It's called a lemon drizzle.
it's not.
It's got nothing to do with lemon other than that lemon slice.
There's no lemon in it. It's a lemon drizzle spritz, and it's got Sip Smith lemon drizzle gin, Tatundia Reserve, sherbet and bitters, and vanilla topped with soda. That's what it has, apparently. That's the last time I sent you to the bar.
But yes,
No, it's the last time I let you go to the bar on your own.
it was supposed to be lemon something or other beer.
It was supposed to be a bottle of beer.
Yeah, it was meant to be a bottle of beer,
Lemon.
but apparently they don't do it here, so
So you got a cocktail.
I got these.
And as you can tell, we've had a few today. But the meal in Sindhu was absolutely amazing. And thoroughly. It's too close. Too close. The meal in Sindhu was amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed that, and that's still very close. It's a bit close. And now they're playing a lot of 80s music. And we have one lady on the dance floor who's very good. Oh, yeah, we've had floor now. 2 people on the floor now. Not me.
I've got no idea what this music is.
It's before your time.
Apparently it's before my time.
So we just got in. It's now 10 past 12, midnight. 10 past midnight. Dirty stop outs.
We stayed at this late for a very long time.
Yeah, so I think everyone else is probably asleep. Maybe. There's a few still about, but I think the bars were closing, so yeah. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, a lot of fun.
We've done so many things today already. We've had a fantastic time so far, so
Yeah.
good. And we'll say good night now, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.